Hey everybody, this is Pete Rudloff of Pete's Garage and FlexCheck Auto DVI. Today, we're going to take a look at what comes in the box when you get an N2 Neuron graphene multimeter and companion amp clamp model A1 from Curien Electronics Company. Graphene multimeters are phenomenal. Any good technician has a graphene multimeter already. One of the drawbacks to most graphene multimeters is the display is often connected to your leads. So it's harder to be in a driver's seat watching a display when you're trying to drive down the road with something. Curien fixes that by having a separate control unit. This is your main module. This is your main meter part. And then you Bluetooth your screen to any Bluetooth capable device, cell phone, Android, Apple, any kind of tablet, any kind of computer, laptop that has Bluetooth. You can Bluetooth all of your current readings, all of your voltage over time, right from this guy to whatever device you want to use. When you open up the package, you're going to get the batteries. You're going to have to load the batteries yourself, which requires a little bit of disassembly. You're going to get some really high quality probes, some really high quality leads. The kit that I have included thermal probes, and the kit also included the A1 amp clamp, which is showing to be a really nice, accurate quality amp clamp on par with any other stuff I've used before from other companies. One of the really neat things about this tool is if you can go in, we can scroll back the application. Let's see here. You've got Curien is setting up for a whole community to help. So they have a whole bunch of classes and stuff like that built right into the tool that you can go through, you can download, you can watch videos, and you can learn how to use the tool and how to do different features of the tool right through the application. It's super cool, super easy. You really can't go wrong with this tool. If you're looking for a graphene multimeter, this one's a powerful unit. It's also super easy to learn how to use. So if you're looking for your first one, this would be a good choice right here. Again, we're looking at the N2 Neuron from Curien Electronics Company and its companion amp clamp. Nice kit, quality built, good storage cases. There's really nothing bad to say about this tool. You should check it out.